Alright, here we are at the city. I'm going to pull it back and see there's a lot of groundwater coming in. So it is pitched pretty poorly. Looks like we got some cracking there. A little bit. Maybe a little bit there. Definitely a compromised joint there. We got a lot of groundwater just pouring in.
Does that groundwater usually get less as the spring goes on? You don't know.
I would think so. The groundwater level tables, the groundwater table should lower, you know. We've been seeing a lot of it lately because I think of that last snow and stuff that we got, and there's the thaw and extra water, you know. So in the other video that we had, you can also see there's another crack somewhere that we just weren't able to see.
Sure.
Looks like it's, see, I think most of this here is mineral deposits on the side.
Yeah.
Which means, you know, groundwater. There's a couple chunks in here you're going to see. Everybody was calling this an offset back here, but it was just gunk buildup, just mineral deposits or mortar maybe. I think it. Let's see where it was. That's what everybody was calling an offset was right here. This is it right here. You can see where I kind of beat on it a little bit with my chain. So you can see that's completely gone now. So still kind of the high point of the sewer, but.
And that chunk there is from the chain, right?
This chunk?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's part of what I cut away.
Yeah.
I think that's something else.
Yeah, because it's upstream.
Yeah. I think that's just poop.
Oh. Got it. Interesting.
Feces, to be correct. Yeah, so I mean, you got half the pipe full of water here, almost, you know. But you can see that we changed it because, like, you can see the water level's a little lower than the original water line, you know. So, like, we definitely made a difference. But the amount of stuff in there just really isn't that great, like that much right now. You can see the water line at times is way higher than that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So.
Is that the end?
That's the cast, and then the 4x6 here, and now we're up and out.